Hello students, Assalamu alaikum. Your next poem in reader is The Shed. Do you know what is a shed? A cow shed, a tool shed, a wood shed. For example, it's a small room away from the main house for storing or keeping things, animals, tools, vehicles, etc. Before starting the poem, a description of shed is given here. That what is a shed? Cows are kept in shed or pet animals are kept there. Cow, goat, sheep. Sometimes tools are also kept in shed and wood shed. And for example, it is a small room. A shed is nothing but a small room away from the main house, and it is for storing or keeping things, animals, tools, or vehicles. Ask your partner if he or she has ever seen a shed. If you have ever seen a shed, you can discuss this with your partners. Now read the poem. There is a shed at the bottom of our garden with a spider's web hanging across the door. The hinges are rusty and creak in the wind. When I am in the bed, I lie and I listen. I'll open that door one day. The poet is saying here that in his garden there was a shed, and when he was a child, when he was a little child, there were spiders' web, and the hinges means the joints on which the door move. The hinges were full of rust, and they also make sound, creaking sound. When I am in bed, I lie and I listen. The poet is saying that when he used to lie in his bed in the night, then he listened that voice every night. And what he thought at that time, he thought that one day I will also go there in the shed. There is a dusty old window around at the side with 3 cracked pane of glass. In that shed there was a window which was full of dust, and there were 3 cracked panes, broken pane of glass, and from I often think there's someone staring at me. The poet used to think that someone is inside the shed, and from those broken panes someone is looking at him. Each time that I pass, whenever the narrator move beside the shed, then he used to think that there's someone in the there's some. He thought that someone is inside the shed. My brother says there's a ghost in the shed, and if I ever dare to set foot inside, he will jump out and chop off my head. But I'll take a peek one day. And when the narrator was confused in that someone was there inside the shed, and one day he used to think that one day he will go and peep. Peep means to look inside. He will look inside the shed from that window. But the brother informed him that inside the shed there is a ghost, and the ghost is hiding under the floorboard, under the rotten floorboard. Rotten means broken or full of bacteria. Under that floorboard the ghost is hiding. The brother used to say this, and if the poet will go inside the shed, then the ghost will jump on him, and he will chop off means he will cut the head of the narrator. But the narrator was still confirmed that one day he will go there inside the shed and he will see what is there inside. I know that there is not really a ghost, but the poet knew that very well that there is nothing inside the shed, like ghost. My brother tells lie to keep the shed for his den. The brother used to say this because he want to keep the shed as his own property. He only want to go there. He didn't want to share the shed with his younger brother. There's not anyone staring or making strange noises, and the spider has been gone from his web. Since I don't know when I'll go into that shed one day soon, because uh, the poet did not go inside, he did not know that who had done this, but the spider web was not there now, and he was still hopeful that one day he will go there inside the shed. Frank Flynn is the poet of this poem. Now I am finishing this. I hope you will understand with the help of this video.